Hey everybody, Ryan here at the Lawn Channel, and today I'm going to take you through some things I'm going to do in the lawn, starting with sharpening blades to one of my mowers. It's a Exmark Turf Tracer. It's a 36-inch, and I'm going to give this mower a go. I got a really good deal on it. I'm going to give it a go in the front yard. I'm going to keep real mowing on the side yard, but I'm going to use this mower on the front yard. And I like the floating deck thing, and my yard's not really level up there yet, so I want to see how this works in the front, and I may do that throughout the year, and I may also bring in some sand and do a whole level on the front as well. But for now, I'm going to give this mower a go, and let's get started. Alright, so before we go outside, because it's like 95 degrees, out of nowhere we went from having nice, pretty cool days for May, cool nights, to 95 during the day, and it's pretty miserable. I don't know if it's just like not being used to it yet or what, but it's pretty miserable. But let's take you through a few things that we're going to use to sharpen the blades. First thing is an angle grinder, and this is just it's a Chicago Electric model from Harbor Freight. It's like 15 bucks, and so I've only used it once or twice, and it worked great. And on the angle grinder, here's a flap disc. Let's see if we can. There you go. So it's a 60 grit, 4.5-inch diameter flap disc. Also, what we'll be using is this clamp here. I'm having to do a makeshift thing here, so I use this clamp, and looks like a screw is missing. So either way, it worked the other day. It should work fine. And then, of course, we have our two blades. And I sharpened these the other day, but I'd read where you don't really want a nice sharp edge. Whatever. I don't know. I wasn't thrilled with the cut. I'm going to go back real quick and get a nice edge on this blade. Alright, so a few things I'm going to do is just kind of grind this grass off of this blade. Why not? Right now I'm about to take the Exmark Turf Tracer and go through the yard. I'm not cutting off a whole lot, so you're not really seeing a huge difference here. And also with the GoPro, I am kind of iffy on the video quality. I see a lot of people get really good quality out of it. So far I'm not too pleased, although in certain areas I am. If anybody has some advice on that, please leave it in the comments below. But yeah, also in the yard here, you see a lot of the yellow spots. That's where I sprayed a Celsius and Certainty mix, and it does discolor the grass just a little bit, but I really wanted those weeds gone, so hopefully in the next few weeks it will be recovered and will not have those weeds. As you see here also, my neighbor kind of stopped by. He's like kind of asking what's going on, and saw that I'd use the reel mower, so he was kind of asking about that, and he's also into his yard. That was pretty cool. I have a neighbor who I can talk to, as you can see here on the right side of the video. This neighbor doesn't care about their lawn so much. So, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. For the rest of the video here you can watch, I'm gonna cut with a reel mower, and it looks worse in this video. Like I said earlier with the GoPro, I'm not really figuring out how to get good video quality out of the GoPro, but the yard doesn't look too good here, and you can see the light green spots from the spray I did on the weeds, but the lawn actually looks really good right now outside of the discoloration, and I'm very thrilled with it, and it's filling in very fast, so I hope that will eventually show through in some of the future videos. Guys, if you like the video, please like it and give a comment. Subscribe if you want more videos like this. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.